Well, welcome to this episode. This is solving questions on limits. Okay, let's look at the first part of those questions. We have limits. We have evaluate the following. Limits as b near 2 or as b tends to 2 of these quotient function. Okay, as I've told us in the previous video, okay, one of the way to solve limit is by direct substitution. So anywhere you see b, you plug in your 2, and that'll be 3 times 2 over 4 times 2, that's 8, plus 1 square root minus 1. So this will give you 6. This will give you 8 plus 1, that's 9. Okay, and square root of 9, that's 3. So we have 6 over 3 minus 1, that's 2. So this gives you 3. The second part, do the same thing also. So this will be minus 3 times minus 5 times 3, that's minus 15, all over this 4 times 3, that's 12. 12 minus 3, that's the square root of 9. So we have minus 15 all over 3, and that's minus 5. And then the last part, limits as h near 0, as h tends to 0. So anywhere you see your h, you just plug in that value there, and that will be equal to 3 over 3 times 0, that's 0. So we have square root of 16, that's a 4 plus 4. So the answer is what? 3 over 8. And that's that on the first part of the question. The second part, we have the one-sided limit. F of x is given as this. Okay, f of x is 0 if x is less or equal to minus 5. F of x is square root of 25 minus x squared if minus 5 less or equal to x less 5. And finally, f of x is this if x is greater than or equal to 5. Put the following limits or states that they do not exist. Yeah, for this question, we're going to look at certain values we have here. For those conditions, we have 5 here. We have a range of x is between minus 5 but less 5. Here, x is less minus 5. So we're going to look at the question say we should find limit of f of x when we have x tend to minus 5 negative, minus 5 negative. So what we are going to do first, if you look at this place now, this is greater than 5. So this is a place we are going to have 5 plus of f of x as x tend to minus 5 negative. Where is that place? So that is the place we have that's 0. Okay, then the b part, limits of f of x as x tend to minus 5 plus. Where do you have more than minus 5? More than minus 5 is this place. Okay, s is greater than minus 5 but less 5. So this is the function for that place. That's equal to what? Limits as x tends to minus 5 to the right of the. So we have this. Then you can substitute your minus 5. So that will be equal to what? This one, minus 5 squared. So we have 25 minus 5 squared. It's also what? It's also, by the time you square, it's also 0. It's also 0 for the b parts. And that confirms that there is a limit at that point is equal to what? Is equal to limit of f of x as x tends to minus 5. So if limit, if the left side is equal to right hand side, that shows that limit exists, and that must be equal to what? This, the c part. Yeah. So that's what we need for the c. We need to know that this, the left side, must equal to the right side if limit exists, and at the same time must equal to. So that means that limit of f of x as x tends to minus 5 is also equal to what? It's also equal to 0. Okay, because that's the condition for limit to exist. So limit what? So we now have 5 now to the left side of 5. So 5 minus. So let's look at that 5 minus. So this is where we have x greater than or equal to 5. This is where we have less 5. Okay, so the equation, the function for that place is what is there. And that one is also equal to what? It's also equal to 0. If you make your direct substitution, is 0. Then we go to E part. E limit of f of x as x tends to 5 plus. For 5 plus, we have what? We have limits as x tends to 5 to the right. That's the place. And the function is what? Is 3x. So that gives us what? 15. Okay. Actually, in this case now, limit does not exist because they're not equal. But yeah, sorry, there is the f part, limit of f of x as x tends to 5. I've already started the f from here. Okay. Limit does not exist. The right hand side is not equal to what? To the left hand side. So in that, the thing is very simple. The issue of 5 plus 5 minus is very simple. Just look at what you have, your boundary conditions. Okay, that's s greater than 5. That'll be your 5 plus. This is where we have less 5. That'll be the left side of 5. 5 negative. And then look at the minus 5. For the minus 5, you can see x is more than minus 5. So this will be your minus 5 plus. This is what? This is less minus 5 or equal to. So this will be minus 5 negative. And that's that on these aspects. Please, if you are watching it for the first time or you are yet to subscribe, kindly click on the watermarks on the video and subscribe. Click on like button and begin to type your comments. Okay. And finally, share the links of this video on all your social media platforms. Thank you for doing that.